Good morning, students. Today we'll start with our GK topics. The first topic is natural world. In natural world, there are so many subtopics: marine creatures, about insects, flightless birds, spices and herbs, environment, natural wonders, etc. And the first topic is marine creatures. Here pictures of some marine creatures are given to you. Based on the special characteristics given, you have to identify these creatures or you have to name them. Fill in the blanks. That is given here. I'll explain to you one by one. Along with that, I'll give the name of the creatures also. But you have to write down the name of the creatures in the blank given from the help box. Okay, while explaining, I'll give the name of the creatures and you have to write down from the help box with correct spellings in your textbook. So do you know about these fascinating creatures that live in seas and oceans? Marine creatures means the creatures which live in seas and oceans. Okay. The first one about the special features, it has the same name as a vegetable. It is named after a vegetable and the body is cylindrical and covered with spines. Just like cactus spines, the body is covered throughout with spines and the feet is like tentacles around its mouth. Tentacles means long outgrowths from the body. That is called tentacles. These are the special features of this, and the name of this is named after the vegetable. So this one is sea cucumber. This is sea cucumber. Okay, you can write down from the help box. The second one, it carries venom in its tentacles. You can see the growths, hair-like growths, it is tentacles and it is having venom in it. That means venom means poison, and sometimes it is mistaken for jellyfish, but it is not jellyfish, and it is not a single creature, but so many single creatures are joined together and they live in a colony. So it is not a single individual creature. There are so many creatures which are joined together in a colony, and it is named after a battleship because of its air bladder. You can see the upper part. It is just like an air bladder. So when this animal is moving through the waters or sea or oceans, it appears to us as a sailing ship. So it is named after the name of a ship. So it is what is the name of this? The name of this is Portuguese man of war. The name of this creature is Portuguese man of war. Okay. Third one. This fish has the ability to puff its body up to 300 times its usual volume. That means its normal appearance is as if it is a very small creature, but it can expand its body up to 300 times the initial one. It can expand its body, means it can make its body bigger, increase the volume and extend the spikes also. Throughout the body it is covered with spikes. So it can extend the body and spikes also to protect itself from the predators, and this is also poisonous, but the poisonous parts are removed and it is relished as a delicacy, means it is consumed as a food by Japanese people named as fugu. Even though it is poisonous, it is removed and it is consumed as a food in Japan. Next one. This is an intelligent marine creature. It has no bones and 4 pairs of arms. It has 4 pairs of arms, means how many? 8 arms it has. From the name itself, it is clear. From this feature, it is clear. It has 8 arms altogether, and it has a center of the body. It has beak and mouth. And the very characteristic feature of this creature is it can eject thick dark ink. Whenever any predator comes to attack this, it will eject ink so that the water will be colored and it can escape. So what is this marine creature called? This is octopus. It has got 8 arms. So from that it is clear, it is called octopus. Fifth one, this marine creature, it has huge mouth, loosely hinged. Loosely hinged means the mouth can open wide, no hinges. The hinges are not so tightly holding the upper jaw and the lower jaw, so it is very loose, so it can open the mouth very wide, and it can swallow great large quantities of prey. And it is having a light producing organ at the tip of the tail, so that by emitting light it can attract prey. So it will come to that, and it can eat also in large quantities. So what is this? These are the special characteristic features of this marine creature. So it is called gulper eel. Gulper eel, because it can gulp large quantities of prey. The next one, sixth one, its name comes from the Greek word meaning floating or wandering. It's based on the Greek word, the name is given, that means floating or wandering. It floats on mostly it can be plants, animals or bacteria, and it floats on the surface of seas and oceans. Some are visible to us with our naked eye, but most of these are microscopic. It can be observed in microscope. By using a microscope, it can be observed. Some are visible to our naked eye. It is the foundation of the marine food web. Food web means so many food chains are interlinked to form a food web. You know, food chain, there are so many animals which are depending on each other for food. That is called food chain, and so many food chains are interlinked to form a food web. So this name of this creature is plankton. Plankton, plankton. It can be plants, animals or bacteria. It always floats on the surface of seas or oceans. It can be seen with the naked eye or with a microscope. Seventh one, this marine creature is named after a land plant because of its appearance. Here also it lives in group, not as a single creature, it lives in group. The body is like a tube-like body, mouth at one end, foot at other end. And with the help of the foot, it attaches itself to rock or any other surfaces or objects. Here also it has a poisonous sting. It is having a poisonous sting. So it attaches itself to the surfaces with the foot, and then one end it has mouth, and here it has tube-like body. The last one, this marine creature is, I think it will be familiar to you all. It is a 10-legged creature, means it is having 10 legs. Even though it is having 10 legs, it will not walk straight, it walks sideways, and the front pair of leg may have pincer-like claws, means just like tongs, like that it is having. It can catch hold of the prey with that. Pincer-like claws at the front pair of legs. It is found in seas and oceans, and sometimes on land also. It is constellation of stars of Cancer is named after this animal. Star constellations are there, and Cancerians, it is given this named after this animal. So what is this animal? It is very clear to you. I think it is familiar to you. And this one is crab. What about this one? Seventh one, I did not tell that. Seventh one is sea anemone. Sea anemone. A-N-E-M-O-N-E. Sea anemone. This one. Mouth at one end, foot at another end, and it is attaching itself with the help of food to rocks or other objects, and it is having poisonous stings. This is sea anemone, and this one is crab. I'll tell you the answers I have marked over here, but it is given in the help box. Just now I explained also. Look at this. First one, sea cucumber. Second one, Portuguese man of war. Third one, puffer fish. Fourth, octopus. Fifth, gulper eel. Then sixth one plankton, and seventh one sea anemone. It is given at the back side of the book also. You can copy down from that, or from the help box you can copy down, write proper spellings and learn. Thank you, students.